Welcome to the Rise Above Performance Training Tip of the Week. We're going to continue our single leg RDL series. Now the goal of the single leg RDL is not to necessarily get all the way to the floor and come up. So we want to have our mind set on the fact that we want to activate the posterior muscle of the legs, the hamstrings and the glutes, while maintaining good form during the movement. So as I set up, I'm going to go down only as low until I feel my hamstrings and my glutes stretch, and then I drive up. Usually for most people, mid-shin is pretty good because you can maintain that nice line and then feel the muscles work. Sometimes when we get a little bit lower, we start to lose our integrity in our shoulders and our back, and then that kind of changes the exercise into something we don't want to do. So if you're going to do this exercise, make sure you activate the glutes and the hamstrings and you keep your balance before you increase the range of motion.